Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Carrie Rodriguez and today I have a video where I have made a Christmas starter kit with little golden books. Hooray! So the idea of this is for you to tear apart this little golden book very easily and use it to make a journal, with this being the front cover if you want, or you can cover it, or you don't have to use it at all and you have a new book. So let's go over the contents. First, let's look at the little golden books. So I have two kits available. One is with Frosty, the other with Jingle Bells. So there is some writing. It's so hard these days to find little golden books that aren't beat up or have writing on them, especially with 1964 copyright. So in the journal world, you all know who make journals that this can be covered up. Things don't have to be used as they were initially intended, and anything and everything can be fixed. And that's what makes it fun and original and unique, and it's handmade. So you can do with these pages as you will. Typically, when you're using a little golden book to make a journal, you take it apart here. There are some staples and they come apart very easily. And then you have all of these pages still together. In the middle, they're not torn apart, they're just folded. So you can use these as pages in your book. And then you have the front cover and back cover as the covers. So you just need to make a spine. There are so many tutorials on YouTube, and I will try to make one because I've never made a little golden book journal before, but I'm going to try it. So I might just record my process. However, there are many people out there that do make them beautifully, and they are good at it and they're used to it. They've done it many times before. So they've already made videos. If you'd like to follow that tutorial, this would be a perfect beginner's kit. If you find a good tutorial that you want to try, this is what you would need to do something like that. So first we'll look at the two books. This one is, as I mentioned, Jingle Bells, and I did say 1964 copyright. So the pages are really good condition. As you can see, we'll just flip through it kind of fast. It's a cute little book. There we go. And Jingle Bells song in the back. And then Frosty. So there's some coloring here. This one is 1980. The pages are nice. You can line the inside of the covers with fabric to cover what was written. There's some writing here and there, but it's the covers themselves. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what comes with it. So all of this is included with one book, and then I have a second kit with all of these same items included with another book. There are very slight differences, like the scrapbooking paper. Otherwise, pretty much everything is the same. So let's just start. I got a poinsettia from Walmart here, and you can very easily take them off. And then you pull this out. So that piece comes off, that piece comes off, and you have yourself a flower. I put hot glue and I put the flower together like that, and then I put this in the center. Would work perfectly on the front cover of a journal. It might be a little bulky on the inside, but depending on how you make your journal, there might be enough space there to do something like that. But it would look really nice on the front cover. Or if you make something to go along with it, like a bag or something, then you can put it on there. So here are some various pieces that I've included. There's that one, All Christmas. There's this one. And then this is like a rustic vibe, and then some roses. So there's this. And then let's go into this little bag here. So I've included these, which you can do so much with. You can decorate, you can put tags and use these as the top of the tag. Or I've included this ring and this ring fastener. So you can use this stuff to make a tassel, which would look really cute. And there are many other items that would work for a tassel as well. So there's these two. There's a lot of little bling pieces for decorating. There's some jingle bells you can tie onto your journal and use them in pretty much any form. You can put them on a paper clip. So there's some gold paper clips, some roses, several buttons, some bulb pins. There's three. Oh, there's the other one. Okay, and this is a wood piece. And then here is what you would need to bind your journal. So this is waxed thread. And then this is baker's twine. I couldn't think. So these would work for that, for binding your journal. And then I have several pieces of lace and ribbon and trim. So there's this one. Let me move this stuff. And there's gold and white. And this would make a nice pocket if you were to sew it in along this side. And then when you fold your paper, you have a pocket on this side and on that side. And you can leave this laying off the bottom of the page. There's that one. There's this one. And some Christmas trees. These would look nice on the tassel. There's this one. Pretty good amount there. Some black. And I've used black because there's some black in the other materials. There's gold, and then this, and there's this one. And this is wired ribbon, but you can take the wire out. So all of this, such fun items for decorating. And then there's these here. Excuse me. You can use these with your paper clips. If you get a hot glue gun and then you just glue them to the back. See, didn't that look cute? And then just put like a little circle on the back there to hold it in place. So there's these three. C is for Christmas, and then there's a number, a coin envelope, a tag, and then some stickers. And the stickers are different in the other kit. So there are these items. Excuse me. And they go inside of here, which you can still use in your journal. You can completely glue it in, or put it in a pocket or as a page. And then here, what I have done, I've made this envelope, which you can use in your journal. You can actually use this as one of your center pages. Sew it in right here, tie it, and then you have a pocket there. Or you can glue it in on 3 sides and you have a top loading pocket, or on the other 3 sides and a side loading pocket, as well as this. But what I have put in here is I have gone through the public domain images, and I have printed and cut on HP presentation paper some digital images. And I think there's over 30 pieces. So you could stamp on the back, use a stencil, leave it blank, do some inking around the edges. You can line it with coffee dyed paper and then sew it in your sewing machine. Lots of things that you can do with these journaling cards. fill your pockets, make pockets. Some of them printed kind of blurry, but they still look super cute. Like this, you can see the boys, they were sledding and fell. So it's still cute. And this is a postcard, so you can glue these together and then you have the front and the back. So a lot of cute images here. Look at that one. So there's a lot of them there. So all of this is included, the same things on both kits. All right. And then I've also included all the numbers up to 25. So if you wanted to do some December daily journaling. And then here are some other decorating pieces. Some other journaling cards. Can decorate with these. I like these two. I think I'm going to make some journals and use these as the front cover. And then more journaling cards, a snowman. So there's a lot of pieces here, a flag. All right, so all of these are the same pieces in the other kit. The numbers are a different style, but you get all 25. Okay, put that to the side. And then I've also included some fabric. Let me fix that. There we go. Okay, so this is big enough for you to wrap your whole journal in. So where's the book? Where did I put the books? Well, it fits the whole little golden book. Here it is underneath here. There. So you can see it fits the entire book. So if you didn't want to use this, you can make your own spine and then wrap the entire journal or just the inside. So you can glue it in right here and you cover the inside of the journal. Maybe sew in a pocket here, or do something nice before you glue this on. So there's this fabric here. Let me put this back underneath there. And then you have some lace and this one, and they're roughly cut. Nothing for journaling is perfect, right? For junk journals. And then I've included several different pieces for the making of the journal. So there's a red doily, a seed pocket, a journaling card, a paper bag, a clear plastic pocket, some list pad and other paper, some paper bags, Christmas themed, and then several cards. Here's the envelope, and then there's the card. It's embossed, the images, you can see it. And then here's this one with a lot of glitter, and there's the envelope. And then there's this one. I love this envelope because it's lined with red foil, and there's the card. And then on these, I found this book at the thrift store, and it has the alphabet. So who you're going to send your cards to, you write their names, address, all that information there. So it's in alphabetical order. And then the gifts that you've given, gift ideas, and also gifts received. Right here, gifts received. So with those 4 pages that were in that notebook, I've ripped them out and included them in this kit. I've also included a book page from another vintage book. So there's that one, and the Edith Holden, the December. It has this image on the other side. Very beautiful. I have tea dyed paper, baked it in my oven, and ironed them flat. So there are 4 pieces here. My daughter stole some, my 17-year-old stole some of this paper and started using it for her homework since she said she had an unlimited supply of it. I thought that was funny. But I didn't say no. Go ahead, use the paper. It's just paper. So there's these 2. And then these are the scrapbooking papers that are included in this kit. There are 5 pieces. It's thick. I'm missing one. There we go. I knew there was one more. So there's 5 pieces here. So there's that one. You can use it like as decorating edges. There's that one. They work nicely together. And then 4 pages of 65-pound cardstock. So 2 red and 2 green. 4 pieces of copy paper in a cream color, 2 papers of ledger paper, and then here, let me see if I can find I found this coloring book at the thrift store, and so I've included 4 images in each kit from the coloring book. On this side it has an image, and on the other side it's kind of muted ornaments. Okay, and then there's this one and the tree, and then on the back is the same, and then this is the 4th image. So you can include these in your journals. All right, so that's everything that I have for you. I have these, by the time this video is up, I will have these listed on my Etsy. Again, I only have 2 available. They are ready to be shipped, so I'll send them out the following day after purchase. And don't forget that I also have a Facebook page, Carrie's Workshop. I am on Pinterest. I will link that below as well if you'd like to follow me there. And I have several other items listed in my Etsy shop already, so have a look. And I have a couple journals there that are traveler's notebook size that are already made. And I have a couple other kits as well, not Christmas related, but if you like this idea of having everything ready for you to use, then a kit is perfect. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be making some more videos like the Little Golden Book journal series. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye, everybody.